Yoda, natumai mko poa, mko salama popote mlipo na popote ambapo mnatutazama hapa ndani ya FM Show KE mkiwa. So right now kuna story fulani hivi, ni moja kati ya story ambazo zinapigiwa upatu sana katika mitandao ya kijamii, and the story is in regards to one of the young businessmen and entrepreneurs that we have in the Mount Kenya region, Murage wa Murage Modern Furnitures. Ni kijana tunamtambua, ni kijana anafanya fiti sana. He is an inspiration to many young men out there, but one comment yesterday has nearly ruined the reputation that Murage of Murage Modern Furnitures is built for so many years. Ndio maana mara nyingine unaambiangwa pumbavu zingine wachana nazo tu, mambo mengine na majibishano mengine kwenye mitandao ya kijamii yaache yapite. Kuna mama fulani tu, sijui ni Murage alisoma comment yake vibaya, sijui ni lakini kuna upumbavu mwingine pia tusikubali kubebwa. Maana Murage anatuambia Facebook page has different moderators na iko na different admins ambao ndio wanaangalia na wanapost vitu mle ndani. Lakini swali ni je, wewe after ukiangalia the reply that came with this comment ambayo ilitoka kwa page ya Murage and the recent replies ambazo tumeziona pia, unaweza sema ya kwamba ni mtu mwingine na sio Murage aliweza kureply to those comments? Because it's a question, it's a matter that we all Mana Murage has tried to apologize to Kenyans, na Wakenya nao wamejam, hawaamini na hawakubali ya kwamba Murage sio yeye alireply to that comment. A woman by the name of Doti faced trap kwa Wakenya baada ya kile ambacho kiliweza kuendelea pale. Now reading about this, first of all, nataka tusome hiyo comment ya jana. Udem anaitwa Dolly Patron alisema very pretty, nunulia wife non-stick sufurias, meaning udem alikuwa anaambia Murage, you know what, na sell nauza non-stick sufurias, pata kuninunulia. But instead of internalizing and trying to access the comment, Murage Gibson came out guns blazing akitukana huyu dem. And listen to the reply. Alimwambia Dolly Patron, wewe unaniambia sufuria zenye nitanunulia bibi yangu, wewe bwanako hata kazi amekutafutia. Kwanza ambia bwanako akuwekee kazi utoke Koinange, ndio at least ujue hata bei ya hizo sufuria. Kerugoyo. Haya ni maneno ya nani? Ya Murage. Mimi sitasema si yake, maana the account that has replied is Murage of Modern Furniture's account. So meaning it is a straight it's a direct interpretation on who made those comments. So after that Wakenya walijam sana. They had different things to say. Nikisoma tu a few comments kutokea kwa Wakenya after this post. Namona Kim Mwaura akisema uncode. Winnie Mamake Mike anasema why people always like problem, they don't want peace. Tell Mjafet anasema Kerugo wa Nyure. Edwin Mudhanga anasema exercise caution when everything seems to work so well for you. Life has different seasons. Monica Favor anasema sometimes you don't have to fight to be a man. Sure. Sometimes you don't have to fight to be a man. Ni wimbo huo. Mwende Doris anasema this man is becoming very petty by the way. I see a very genuine comment by the lady. Actually she started by very smart. Yeah, I also saw the same thing. I wondered what really happened. Now niyo gona Pauline Favored akisema Koinange amuonire agithie gwetha keku kwaria ta Kerimu. Uli mwingine. So meaning Kenyans hawakuwa wamefurahia na hii comment ya Murage. People were not happy. So Murage came forward a few hours ago, about 7 hours, akasema you cannot plant a lemon tree and expect to harvest an orange. You cannot slap one of my cheeks and expect me to set the other one well for you to slap it also. I'm not Jesus, I'm Murage. Na pia mimi niko na roho moja kama wale wengine. So I can feel good and at times I can feel bad. ngoro yakwa ti yacuma, and so I remain unapologetic. Nĩ mũraigua ĩno nĩ comment ya 7 hours ago. Arauga ngoro yake ti yacuma, ati onake rĩ nĩaigagua ũru, anasikianga vibaya pia. So vibaya ilitoka kusikia vibaya wapi through this comment? Surely because you're trying to understand. Tunajaribu kuelewa what Dotty said that angered Murage. Now going forward, Murage has tried again to justify the means. This is what is happening, and I've seen people comment on this. Somebody that has also commented on this is none other than tumwitaga ate Dennis Itumbi, kijana ya State House. Naona riu Murage wa Gibson Murage Gitoga wa Modern Furniture Pacific ni ahohete mwera kuri Dotty Patron uria uracokeirio miario itakenetie amwe a Kenya nenda-ini. Riu Murage augite ni ahoya mwera na akahoya Kenya mamuohere kuona tiwe urandikire miario iyo, no ni umwe wa admin a page yake eranĩire nĩ agũcerera mũhonjoria ũcio wa kwendia thaburia na amuohe mwera wona acoka kuma bũrũri-inĩ wa China kũrĩa athiĩte icera rĩa biashara. Yeah, now let me read what Murage of Murage Modern Furniture says. Ndĩrenda gũthoma tondũ this is what he said. Dear clients, future clients, and friends of Modern Furniture Pacific, following the live session I just did, I know some of you might not have had the chance to join in. Whatever I am going to write here is a public apology to one Dolly Patron, and everyone who felt aggrieved by the comment that has attracted a lot of scrutiny of this brand. I need to state that my page is being run by other admins and moderators while I am in China, and I actually was unaware of the exchange until a close friend called me out through WhatsApp call. I cannot justify a wrong since I cannot justify a wrong since it is negatively affecting my brand, and hence why I am offering this apology. The lady is free to contact me when I return from China, and I will buy the non-stick sufurias from her. As we move past this, may you all find it in your hearts to extend this company grace, as this was not intentional from my head. Going forward, we shall have this issue discussed and addressed internally so that it never happens again. Thank you for your patronage in this page, and God bless you. Mungu mbele. Now, that is the page ya Murage. Now, so Murage is trying to justify, you know what? Yes, the mistake was made. But one thing you don't know, ni eti si mimi nilifanya hiyo makosa. Sio mimi nilikuwa na run page at that time. But the question is, the mistake was made and it was justified some hours later. So you tell me that Murage all this while had not noticed this, even if he was not the one that did that mistake? No, this is a matter that should be addressed. Nego kuado ana sometimes kaitu kiuge ati adoito. Now reading, because a lot of Kenyans have come forward reacting to this. Renda godoma Christina Shiro anamwambia Murage, you lied that you aren't the author of that comment. Remember, you can't lie to yourself, and that said, work on your anger and stop creating imaginary enemies. Otherwise, you will insert another follower here and blame it on another imaginary admin. Lastly, get a page manager whom you can fire anytime they try to mess up your brand. In this case, you can't fire yourself. Yeah, Oshio Christine Shiro araigari. And a very, very, very genuine and strong point for that matter. Karis Brown akauga, foolish man always complains that his pocket has wena very unajaribu kujifanya comedian hapa, peleka comedian yako huko nyang'au wewe. Kariga Mwangi anasema greatness starts here, accepting when something wrong happens is a sign of humility. Netraigamietekira lakini ameitikia after kusukumwa to the head. Drona, nataka sasa kusoma the reaction ya Dennis Itumbi towards this story, because Itumbi has taken it upon himself to react to what Murage wa Murage Modern Furniture said. Na amemwambia hivi, an apology is a great way to have the last word. So Gibson Murage Getoga, on my part as a consumer of your content, apology accepted. Just one part. You do not have to wait until you return to buy the non-stick sufurias. Tununue to make order online ama. Importantly, Memuraigua anasema importantly, making mistakes some grave is part of the learning process. No kuradhi. So you can hear what Itumbi is telling Murage. Importantly, making mistakes. Anasema just one part. Amwambia to make orders online. Alafu ana continue kumwambia importantly making mistakes some grave is part of the learning process in these streets. Learn, internalize the lessons and keep going. Dolly Patron non-stick sufurias, even ndivyo yu dem anaitwa. So you understand that you dem just by the name of this page. She was just trying to sell out her products, as many always do. Unaweza wapata kwa comment section ya page yako wakiuza tu. You come highly recommended by my friend Susan Mwende. I therefore will make my order through Suzy, accept the delivery on my behalf. Dolly, as your brand grows, consider public acceptance of the apology and non-stick sufuria at a time. Good evening. Oshio Dennis Itumbi. And it's a direct advice to Murage of Murage Modern Furniture. Na naona Honorable Caleb anamwambia, I'm also apologizing to you bro, sijui nilikukosea nini au nitumiangi hata 5k hivi. Solomon Kuri anasema Murage is a good man. The problem is the admins who surround him. No admins bwana. Murage admins mwamoneteku. So you, as a follower of Murage Modern Furniture Pacific, what is your take bana? Nataka kusikia maoni yako, because we have had different opinions. We have discussed the story. Na una story imeenda sana, tuko 12 minutes. So make sure una subscribe na una leave a comment down here on FM Show KE. Tungane in our next video da.